going on, you guys? It's me again, Pete from Hyperboost. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's episode. But I know I haven't been uploading a lot. It's been kind of crazy, COVID, all this stuff. But as much as possible, I'm going to try to do the best that I can to be able to upload more videos for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Pete. I am your host on Hyperboost. The stars of my channel are my 2008 Evo 10 as well as my 2018 Tundra XP. I do a couple of things with it now and then, so now and then I'll get a sparing upload and all these other things that I do. But today I have a couple of updates on the Tundra. So the first update I have on the Tundra, about 2 weeks ago, I actually had Dealer's Choice install a 15-inch DVD, and basically it's a whole infotainment center up there. Fantastic. It looks bigger actually in reality, because if I angle it like this and you can see, you know, it's pretty massive. 15-inch screen so the kids can watch and, you know, be entertained while doing the things that I need to do up here driving, so I don't have to mess with me and all the "are we there yet" questions. So Steve from Dealer's Choice, he actually is the owner, the proprietor, and also the guy who installs everything there. As a business owner, I understand that sometimes you just want to be able to do the things yourself to be able to control the quality of your product, and it's amazing. Steve does an amazing job when it comes to electronics. I'm about to have him install a remote start on this vehicle. So today's update is I'm going to be putting step sides or Nerf bars on this truck. I did have Nerf bars on there, but the corner plastic part of the Nerf bar that is protecting basically the corner of the actual Nerf bar kind of broke off, so it looks kind of weird. So I took it off, and you know, for a while I ran with no Nerf bars, which is kind of cool because it kind of gives it that off-road look. But since the kids are still little, they kind of have a hard time getting up onto the vehicle and have a hard time getting off of the vehicle without me lifting them up. So I'm gonna put some Nerf bars on there just for their convenience. So stand by for the unboxing. All right, I've already taken the straps off. Let's see what this thing looks like. All right. Holy smokes. So here's one. Oh, nice. That's beautiful. It's got that 3-inch step side on it, or the 3-inch step. Yes, 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 ladies and gentlemen. That looks good. That looks awesome. That's going to look so good on that truck. Not bad at all. Okay. This is from a company named 7blacksmiths.com. I got this through their eBay site, and it looks awesome. I can't wait to put it on. So anyway, stand by for the install, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, that's not even installed yet, and I already think it's gonna look so good. I like the fact that it's not so long, it's just enough to be more functional. To be able to get up and down from the vehicle, and it's not super long that it goes all the way back here. Wow, okay, that's gonna look really good. All right, so you guys, easy install. 13mm nut, or whatever, 13mm wrench, sorry. 13mm wrench. I don't know why I'm doing this. Am I even qualified to do this? But anyway, 13mm wrench. The bolts are down here, right there. And there's 4 anchor points that you're gonna be able to use for that. So, any case, time lapse. Jiujitsu. goodness, you guys. Wow, that looks good. Holy smokes. Kind of takes away from that lift just a little bit, but I don't know. I do like it. I like the way it's, yeah, I mean, pretty amazing. I like the way it looks. It kind of gives it a little bit more of a, you know, more of a brute force kind of look. I do like that. What do you think, Boo? You like it?
Yes, I really like it.
All right, let me continue on, and I'm gonna finish up and then see how it works. Well, all the screws fit correctly in there, but I think during the shipping something got damaged. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so
Should you put a beep on that?
look at that. The holes don't line up because this got bent during the shipping. So I'm gonna try to unbend that thing, straighten it out. So my dad always said there's not anything in the world that a hammer and duct tape will not fix. So I'm gonna try to do that. So give me a second, guys. So hard to bend it with the hand. So it's enough to where if I had leverage off of it, I could probably just kind of bend it with my hands. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kick it downwards. So I'm gonna be kind of stabilizing myself here. Don't worry, I kind of secured all the other screws now. I'm just gonna try to press it down. So here we go. Ooh, there we go. I think I got it. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Success. Let me see. A little bit more. Just a tad more. Yeah, buddy. Jiu-Jitsu and Taekwondo will always get you out of trouble. Now we're gonna take these end caps, put it at the end of those tubes. That's not too bad, actually. Pretty good. Yes. That looks fantastic, y'all. That's good. That's good. All right, finished product, at least on one side. Oops. Slam my hand right under that open tube. Not fun. Perfect. All right, you guys. Finished product. Man, that looks so good. Holy smokes. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness. That looks really good. Oh, wow. That was another project that I did. If you guys haven't watched the vlog how I made this, just go ahead and shoot back into my channel and watch how I made this slide bed. So look at that. That looks so good. All right, ultimate test, Miss Bella. Come on.
Okay.
See if it's a lot easier to get up there. Yeah, take your, there you go. Put your shoes on. There you go. Get up there. Oh, makes it a ton easier, huh? Uh-huh.
It's enough.
All right, guys, that's pretty much what I need to do with today's project was the Nerf bars. Again, if you guys want to check it out, go to 7blacksmiths.com or they have a I bought that off of eBay. So, but their products are pretty solid. I think they're pretty solid. It looks awesome. I mean, it really gives the truck that very rugged kind of look to it. Now my truck only has a 3-inch lift and a 1-inch lift in the back, enough to make it outdoorsy kind of that look, that still have a sort of functionality to it, to where at least the truck in itself can still go into indoor parking garages and not worrying about hitting the roof and the roof rack onto their ceiling beams or girders. So that's why it's not lifted as far as most of these Tundras are lifted. So I think it still looks pretty awesome, guys. But in any case, that ends today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching HyperBoost. Again, my name is Pete. I am your host, and hopefully I can load some more stuff because I'm going to do a couple of things with the Evo. We'll just have to see. Okay, so anyway, peace out, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe to the video. You know, that thumbs up button, that really helps me out a lot. So, but in any case, I'm trying to get my subscribers up a little bit, so I'm going to upload a little bit more, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace out.